Okay, at least we'll try to start something. Yeah, in the
Yes.
mind, I will find out exactly what is happening. Basically, there is no problem with my headset because I already bought a new headset. So there is a problem with my laptop or some the tool whatever we are using to do this tool.
Okay.
So very hard. I mean, it's very difficult to listen my voice, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay, coming to your thing, so you said you have some knowledge in core Java, but anyway, we will start from basics.
Okay.
And also, you are doing some automation course, right? Selenium,
Yes.
Selenium. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and this is also fine. So the course content, right? If you so before starting our course, right? You
Mm-hmm.
can verify our course content from this website. I already sent one email just 5 minutes before.
Okay.
Did you receive my email?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you see in that email, so you will see this website as part of my signature.
Mm-hmm.
So here you can able to get the course content from courses.
Mm-hmm.
And the first one is for Java only. So you can able to see all this course content. So just have a look, but we will discuss every point one by one. From scratch, we will discuss. Basically, we will start from Notepad. We will start from Notepad, how to write a simple program and how to install Java software. All those things we will discuss.
Mm-hmm.
And we discussed, right? Initially, we will try to connect alternate days so that you will get some enough time to go through the concept whatever we are discussing. Once you're comfortable with core Java, many new concept, whenever
Mm-hmm.
you feel that we are comfortable, then we will try to connect alternate list of alternatives. We will try to connect every day,
Mm-hmm.
and maybe if we feel the course is more, then we will try to skip one of the classes whenever you need, so that you will get some more time so that you can able to verify the content whatever we are discussing.
Okay.
So that will be fine, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this is about our plan. And do we have any other questions? Yeah, Samita, can I able to hear me, right?
Yeah.
So this is our plan basically. So I want to start from basic.
Uh-huh.
Yes, we will start from basic. And yes, I will also when we are discussing every concept, right? Also we will discuss about interview point of view, what kind of questions you may get.
Okay.
So when we are discussing about constructor, say for instance, we will ask you some examples of interview questions. What is the constructor?
Mm-hmm.
So what kind of questions you will get in case of interview point of view. So
Okay.
that questions will be helpful for you
Okay.
when you are going for any interview.
Mm-hmm.
So that interview questions also will discuss parallelly,
Mm-hmm.
and also you can practice daily. So what if say for instance we discuss today some three examples. So for next class before only you try to finish that examples so that you can able to capture the next day class.
Okay.
So don't keep pending, just try to practice it. If you didn't practice, then we will skip the class. So
Okay.
that you will be comfortable from your side, so that you can able to capture the next day class very easily.
Uh-huh.
So that is our plan. And and we can verify the course content from this website. Everything is there. So basically we will explain JDK 5, JDK 8, all those things. And before starting in Java, just let me show you what is Java, who started the Java, and how you use Java. So now, yes. So first, before starting Java, right? Just we will see the versions. Then we will see why we need Java, what are the differences, all those things we will see slowly later. First, before starting Java, so to start with Java, so we need some software, correct?
Yeah.
So if you see your phone, right, like Android phone, so we have some versions, KitKat, Television, there are so many versions, correct?
Yeah.
So here also the similar way we have different versions of Java. So what is the base version and what is the current version and who developed this software, all those things we see. So basically this Java JDK means JDK meaning Java Development Kit. So this software initially was developed by Sun Microsystem. Sun Microsystem.
Mm-hmm.
Sun Microsystem. Okay, after that what happened below? This Sun Microsystem was acquired by Oracle.
Mm-hmm.
So initially it was developed by this Java development kit by Sun Microsystem. After that it was acquired by Oracle people.
Okay.
So now the owner of the software is Oracle. Okay. So now the current owner is Oracle. Now if you want to see the basic version when they started. So initially the base version they have started developing in this is here right in 2004.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the base version they have started.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the people, initially people. So who developed Java means you can say Sun Microsystem. So these are the first people who developed the base version. After that, what happened? It was acquired by Oracle people. So now the owners, they become the owners of the JDK. So now the current owner of the JDK is Oracle. So that is the little bit background of JDK software. Now
Mm-hmm.
come back to the version. So what are the different versions are available?
Another company.
Yes. Okay, this is right. So the base version initially it was developed by 1.2. So this 1.2 is the base version developed by some microsystem. Okay, so this is the base version. It was developed by Sun Microsystem. After that, they started developing 1.3, 1.4. After that, 1.5. So this 1.5 is having major changes. So this 1.5 is having major changes.
Okay.
Okay. Initially they started with 1.2 semi-system. After that they developed 1.3, 4, 5. Okay. 1.5 is a major changes. So before that, there is no, they are developing the new version, but there is no that many useful features. So when they started developing the new version, meaning 1.5, so they had given more features basically. After that, they had given 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. So if you see after 1.5, 1.6 and 1.7 don't have major changes.
Okay.
There is no much differences basically, meaning there is no much useful features.
Mm-hmm.
After that, whenever they are introduced 1.5, so we have a major changes.
Okay.
So basically, we can say indirectly 1.5 and 1.8 are the major changes. So best useful, there is more useful features are available in JDK 1.8 or 1.8.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the two major versions. And currently in market, the latest version is 1.8.
Oh.
And next year, I think this year, right? This year maybe they are planning to reach 1.9 in somewhere April.
Okay.
So they are planning to release 1.9
Mm-hmm.
in 2017 somewhere April.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yes, I'm already recording.
Okay.
So I'm already recording the video. You will get that video file.
Okay.
And so 1.9 will come in this year somewhere April or May. So still they are working on that basically.
Okay.
So these are the JDK space, like I told you, right? So first one is they have started JDK beta in 1994.
Okay.
Okay, and 1.0, 1.23, blah blah blah. The current latest version is
Mm-hmm.
JDK 8, and it was given to the people in 2014.
Mm-hmm.
So the latest version is JDK 8, and it was introduced in 2014. So now we are looking for JDK 9. So the JDK 9 will come in somewhere. One second, I'll show you. JDK 9, Java 6, Java 7, Java 8. Yes, so this is the JDK 9. So now I think they moved this one JDK 9. So initially they planned to release in 2016, but there is some problems, so they are not released it. So now they moved this to July 2017.
Okay.
So JDK 9 will be coming into the market in 2017.
Mm-hmm.
So far the latest version is JDK 8.
Yes.
So JDK is the latest one. And if you see here, right, why we need JDK 8? So for every release, whenever they are trying to use the new version, so they will give list of features. What is the advantage of the new JDK 8?
Mm-hmm.
So these are the advantages. So
Mm-hmm.
JDK updates, they will give all the features. When it is released and what features, what is the issues they fix. If you see here 10 bugs, 26 bug fixes, something. So they keep on fixing the bugs basically. So you can verify this history. So this is basically Java history, and you can able to find out all the JDK versions and the corresponding years and corresponding advantages.
Okay.
So this is just brief about what is JDK and who developed when developed, what is the different versions are available.
Mm-hmm.
So you will get some idea.
Mm-hmm.
So basically they started with 1 point JDK beta, after that 1.1, 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 3, 4. So the major version here is JDK 5.0 and JDK 8. So till 1.4 they had given naming like that. 1.5 they used to call it as a JDK 5.0. Uh, Hello, hi Sandra, are you there?
Yes, I'm listening.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. Fine, fine. Okay. So till 1.4, they had given naming conversion like this 1.0, 1.1, 1.3, 1.4. But when they came to 1.5, so instead of giving 1.5, so they had given a naming conversion as a Java 5.0 and 6 and 7 and 8. So these are the latest versions. So for whatever they have released, and the upcoming version is JDK 9, and now they are planning that one somewhere in June
July.
2007. Yes, June
Mhm.
2017. That also not so because they found out some issues, so they were not able to release it. Initially, they planned in somewhere 2016 itself,
Mhm.
but due to some issues, so they postponed it to again it postponed for more months to July 2017. And why we need JDK 9? So we have already JDK 8, right? So they had given some reasons. So these are the some features they had modernization of JDK and something we will see all those things later. And Java shell. So these are the some new features they want to introduce. Also, they have a plan to give JDK 10. If you see here, right?
Mhm.
JDK 10 also there is a something in their mind. So that we don't know exactly when in which year they will release it. Maybe 2019 or 20 something like that.
Mhm.
So JDK 10 also they want to release it. So this
Okay.
is brief about the JDK versions, and
Mhm.
now I will show you how to download it.
Okay.
So far it's you got some idea, right? What is
Yeah, yeah,
JDK?
definitely. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Good, good.
And now I will show you. So I told you right initially the JDK software was developed by Sun Microsystem. After that, Oracle people acquired that
Mhm.
company or a software. So now we can able to download this JDK software from Oracle website.
Okay.
So how to download it? So just I will give the link so that you can download as per your operating system and with all those things. If you see, this is the website. So this is the link basically. So under downloads, I will share this link with you also.
Mhm.
So whenever you are trying to, I will show you how to install the software also.
Okay.
So I will show you step by step how to install it and how to set the path, Java
Mhm.
home, and all those
Mhm.
things I will verify you. Okay, just try to
Okay.
just. So now before installing, we need to download the software, right? So
Yeah.
if you want to download the software, just I ping you one link, so you can open the link
Mhm.
and from the link, right?
Mhm.
So we need to find out. So what is your operating system? Your operating system is Windows or Solaris or Mac or Linux?
Windows.
Yes. So for instance, we have a Windows.
Mhm.
After Windows, right? If you see here, right, you'll see
Mhm.
some exe files.
Mhm.
So you can down under Windows we have a two files,
Mhm.
correct?
Mhm.
So you can download as per your bit. Is your 64 or 86? So you can download whatever you want.
Mhm.
Just you
Mhm.
can click 64-bit. Then before downloading it, you will need to accept the terms and conditions.
Okay.
Just accept the terms and conditions. Then
Mhm.
just come back here. Just try to click it. So then it will start downloading.
Mhm.
So the size of the software is around some 195 MB.
Okay.
So it will take some time to
Mhm.
download it. So
Mhm.
meanwhile, I have already downloaded the software.
Mhm.
Okay, let me just a second. We have already software, whatever I
Mhm.
have downloaded. So what I will do, I will try to install so whatever the software I have. So
Mm-hmm.
meanwhile, what you will do for today, right? So you just try to download the software,
Mm-hmm.
and you have already Windows system, right? So
Yes.
you install it, and you have any issues, then
Mm-hmm.
tomorrow what you will do? I mean, next time you can
Mm-hmm.
share your screen.
Okay, no problem.
So
Yes.
you can share your screen if you have
Mm-hmm.
any issues while installing,
Mm-hmm. Yes, that
so
would be
that we
helpful.
can able to fix that issues.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, and before that you can download the software from this link.
Mm-hmm.
I will open the software. We will try to install it.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, like I said, we have some JDK 876.5.0. So once you download the software from this website,
Mm-hmm.
so basically you will get the software like this.
Okay.
So you will get file like this. So
Yes.
JDK 8, and you see here there is some version, and the 64 is kind of bit.
Uh-huh.
So this software is compatible with Windows
Mm-hmm.
64-bit operating system. So that's what it means.
Yes.
And the version is JDK 8. And you
Okay.
see here U92, there is something is there. So
Yes.
what is the mean? So every time in JDK also, if they found out some issue,
Mm-hmm.
say for instance they have already released JDK 8, correct? If they found out some issue, what they will do know? So in JDK 8 itself, they will keep on updating the software by fixing the issues.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
that indication you can able to notice.
Mm-hmm.
So here 92 is there, correct? Whatever I have. And if you see whatever the software I am trying to download, you will see here, what is the number?
Yes. 1 to 1. Yeah.
Yes, 121 means. So in JDK 8 itself, they have released more versions.
Mm.
They
Okay.
will fix the issues and they will release the versions.
Okay.
So whenever they are fixing the any issues, they will release one more version. If you see here, right,
Mm-hmm.
121, 122, 11. So these are the versions basically in JDK 8 itself.
Okay.
So that is what this number meaning.
Mm-hmm. I mean, within one bucket, they are
Correct.
creating another sub bucket. Yes.
Yes, 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 yes. So the JDK, and these are the versions 77, 91, 92. So whenever they are fixing any issues, so they will
Mm-hmm.
give the reason why they release these new versions. Security fixes and 9 bug fixes.
Mm-hmm.
Because of that, they released this 111 version,
Mm-hmm.
112. So the current version is JDK 8, and then the sub version is 121.
Okay. Okay.
So this is the way now the download is completed. Just
Mm-hmm.
have a look. So if you open the download part, you will see here JDK 8 U121 and Windows 64-bit. So this naming conversion is clear, right? How the software look like.
Yes. Yes.
So JDK 8 is a JDK version, and 121 is a subversion of the JDK 8, and
Mm-hmm.
Windows 64-bit. So this software is compatible with Windows operating system and 64-bit.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So that is the advantage of this software.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now what we will do, we will try to install this software. The step one is step one, download the JDK from given URL.
Mm-hmm.
So assuming we have a software, now what we have to do, we need to install the software. So how to install it? So just you have to do, just you can double click, you will get this one. Just say yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So just here there is no option. It will give some information what kind of software you are installing. You see here JDK and updates 121. So currently you are using in JDK
8.
121 subversion.
Mm-hmm.
Correct? Then
Yes.
say next. So this screen is very very important. Here we can see you can talk about lot more information.
Okay.
Okay. So here right the first one if you see here there is an option called change.
Mm-hmm.
So by default this software is trying to install in C drive.
Mm-hmm.
C program files Java.
Mm-hmm.
Say for instance, if you don't want to install this software into C drive, then you can browse it and you
Mm-hmm.
can select the driver wherever you want to install.
Yes.
So
Okay.
that is the purpose of this browse option.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't want to install in C program files, if you want to install in your own drive like D, E drive, there are so many other drives for the C, D, E, F, G, there is some other drives is there. If I want to install the software in others drive, you can select wherever you want to install and you can select the folder name. So the software will be installed in this particular drive.
Mm-hmm.
So that is up to you.
Okay.
Now let me check in C program files. Is there any existing software or not? C program files. Yes, there is a software already
Mm-hmm.
is there. So I see every time for every batch, right? I used to install JDK. So now I don't want to install JDK in
Mm-hmm.
program file. So what I will do, I will try to install it D drive.
Mm-hmm.
D drive training and the training.
Mm-hmm.
So, okay. So there is a folder called installation and the installation. Okay. So let me install here. Let me install JDK.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to create a folder JDK
Mm-hmm.
8.0. So basically, I don't want to install in C drive. I want to install in D drive.
Mm-hmm.
So just
Okay.
copy this location and open this one. So basically, if you don't want this, if you don't want to install in C program files, what you do? Just you can browse the page.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to install in C D drive installation JDK 8.0. So that is the purpose of this location.
Mm-hmm.
It's clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you see the little bit above, right, you will see here three options.
Mm-hmm.
So these are very, very important. Development
Okay.
tools, source code, and public area.
Mm-hmm.
So what is advantage of these options? So, say for instance, the first one is development tools. See,
Mm-hmm.
whenever I am selecting any option, we see here something is changing here.
Yes.
Something is changing, something is changing. So what is the development tool? So
Mm-hmm.
if you will install this option, it will take some time. Did you see this 27 MB? Meaning, if you
Mm-hmm.
want to install this feature, it will take 27 MB.
Okay.
If you want to install public JRE, it will take 110 MB.
Okay.
So that is
Mm-hmm.
the size. So somewhere 27 MB, somewhere 110 MB, and development tools.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, so it will take 180 MB.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So it's just telling us it will take this amount of memory, that will take this amount of
Correct,
memory.
correct. Say for instance, so if you want to install this one, it will take 180 MB, 27 MB, and
Uh-huh.
110 MB. So three options. But now, why we need these options?
Mm-hmm.
So this development tools meaning, say for instance, you install the software and you started developing Java applications, Java files.
Mm-hmm.
So that time we need these development tools.
Mm-hmm.
Say for
When you're
instance,
saying development tools, you are saying testing purpose, or you are saying like a
development
just
purpose.
okay. Okay.
Like we are writing your a.java. So there you write public static void main, something like that, correct?
Okay.
So that
Okay.
is
Yes.
development. So in that time we need in that case we need it.
Mm-hmm.
as a developer, if you want to develop any Java files, we need this development tools.
Mm-hmm.
So this is mandatory. You cannot
Mm-hmm.
skip this feature.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. So this first option will be helpful for to develop a new Java, new files.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the advantage of development tools.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And now
Yes.
if you come back to the second option, source code. So what is
Uh-huh.
the advantage of source code, right? See,
Uh-huh.
if I select here, I can see here three options.
Uh-huh.
Say for instance, what is the advantage of, first we see what is the advantage of source code. So the
Mm-hmm.
advantage of source code is, so this JDK also, they have built up with so many Java files.
Mm-hmm.
So JDK software also, this Sun Microsystem or Oracle people, so they
Mm-hmm.
develop by using so many Java files, correct?
Mm-hmm.
If you want to see their source code,
Okay.
so how many files they use.
Okay.
So if you install this feature, you can able to see their source code.
Okay.
Sun Microsystem, they also develop so many files, right?
Mm.
Backend of the software, correct?
Okay.
So
Yes.
if you want to see their source code, you can install this feature. If you don't want to see their source code, you can do uncheck.
Okay.
Then you are not able to see their source code backend side.
Mm-hmm.
You will get .class files, but you are not .class files. You are not able to read it.
Okay.
I will show you this one. I will tell you what is Eclipse, how to download, what is the different versions also later. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
For time being, just I want to show you this features. The second one is source code. Source code
Source
meaning
code.
just if you want to see the JDK software files, that's all.
Mm-hmm.
Even though if you are not installing, that is also fine.
Okay. I want to see how the Oracle people is doing.
Correct.
Like.
Yes. How they develop, I mean, what are the files they develop, how their codings and what are the variables they use. If you want to see that kind of things, so you
Mm-hmm.
need to install this option. If
Uh-huh.
you if you don't want to install, I don't want to see their source code, just we
Mm-hmm.
can do uncheck.
So it's not a big deal if we uncheck, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
If you select this classbar, then
Mm-hmm.
this feature will not be installed in your machine.
Mm-hmm.
This is an optional basically.
Okay. Optional. Yes.
This is an option. Just to if you want to see the source code, then we need it.
Mm-hmm.
Now I will give a simple example. So you said you have some little bit idea of the Java, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, so previously you used string, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
String is a class and developed by Sun Microsystem, like the JDK people. So now what I did, just I pressed control, and if
Mm-hmm.
you see here, right, I got a hand symbol. Just press it. Now
Mm-hmm.
can you able to read this file?
Yes.
We are not able to read basically, correct?
Yes.
Mean we are not able to see the Java code here exactly.
Yes.
So this is a dot class file. Did you see this?
Yeah.
So this is a dot class file. So what happened here, when I was installing the software, what
Uh-huh.
I did uncheck this one.
Okay.
Because of that, I'm not able to see the source code exactly.
I see.
See
Okay.
here, this link has no source code attachment.
Mm-hmm.
If you select this checkbox, meaning
Mm-hmm.
if you select this, if you select like this, then whenever you are working with the string class, you can able to
Mm-hmm.
see the Java code exactly.
Okay. Got it.
Correct? So that is
Mm-hmm.
the basic difference between.
Mm-hmm.
So if you select the checkbox, then you can able to see Java code here. Exactly like this.
Okay.
You can able to see like this.
Mm-hmm.
If you do uncheck, if you do uncheck like this,
Mm-hmm.
you can able to see like this.
Okay. Got it.
Correct? So that is
Mm-hmm.
up to you. So if you want to see their source code, then you can select it. If you don't want to see their source code, then you can mark it. This is optional.
Okay.
So that is the second one. And now
Okay.
come back to the third one. So
Uh-huh.
now what is the third option? Public JRE.
Mm-hmm.
So this is also optional. So what is the advantage of this one, right? So say for instance now you have developed a Java program. So okay, after that what you will do, you will compile the Java program and finally we need to run the class and we need to see the output, correct?
Yes.
So how you are running? Generally you are running here, right click and run.
Mm-hmm.
To see the output you will do like this, right?
Yes.
So then it will display something in the console.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
to see this output we need a JRE. We need
Okay.
public JRE.
Okay. So in order to see console, we need public JRE, right?
Yes, to see the results we need this public JRE.
Uh-huh.
So this is an optional.
Mm-hmm.
Why I'm telling this is an optional? Meaning, sometimes just you develop the JDK like this, and you can give to some other people.
Mm-hmm.
So that is one way. Or else you can able to download alone. You can able to download only JRE alone separately. Say for
Okay.
instance, you don't want to. Say for instance, you are not a developer.
Mm-hmm.
You are just assume you are a pure QA. So QAs will not do any development. Just they will run the programs, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So in that case, they don't want all those development tools, correct? They don't want
Mm-hmm.
this one and they don't want this one, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, they want to see the results. To see
Mm-hmm.
the results, they need only JRE, Java Runtime Environment.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what they made it this also optional.
Mm-hmm.
Say for instance, now you can able to download only JRE also. So how to download? Yes. If you see here, right? Did you see this?
Yes.
So, say for instance, there is a tester is available, so he will not do any development, just he will run the programs.
Mm-hmm.
So in that case, we don't want any JDK, so you can download only JRE.
Okay.
So
Okay.
only JRE will take 41 MB.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So if you have only JRE, you are not able to develop the program. Just you can able to run the programs.
Okay.
So that is the basic difference between
Mm-hmm.
JRE and JDK.
Okay.
So you got it right now, some idea.
Yes. Yes.
So JRE is optional. So if you don't want to install this one, you can able to download separately by using this link.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So here you can able to download this JRE. If you see here, right, JRE 7, Windows 64-bit. So
Oh,
7 is
that's.
the version, and 79 is a sub version, and this is the operating system and bit compatibility.
Mm-hmm.
So this is Java runtime environment. So that's what JRE also optional.
Okay.
So if you want to install, you can install it. If you feel I don't want it, then you can uninstall it. But generally, people will not do all those unchecks. So they will select everything and they will install it. Correct?
Yes.
So just for our understanding purpose, I am telling each and every option why we need it.
Okay.
Okay, now, so say for instance, now I mean I didn't do any uncheck. I selected everything. Now click on next.
Mm-hmm.
So it will try to install it.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it will take some time to install it.
Okay.
Now the first one whatever you saw, right? So now
Yes.
it got installed JDK.
Mm-hmm.
So now it is trying to install JRE.
Yes.
So now if we want to change the location of JRE, so
Uh-huh.
then we can select change and select the drive wherever you want to install. So let me go to installation, JDK.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so this is the one.
Mm-hmm.
So far we have installed JDK.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, now let me install JDK. JRE. So I'm trying to install JRE in my subfolder.
Okay.
So that is up to you. So you can install wherever you want.
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm trying to install in this location, JRE. And next.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So
Got it.
first, as part of first step, it was installed JDK, and as part of
Mm-hmm.
second step, it is trying to install JRE.
Okay.
So because as part of the checkbox selection, I didn't do any uncheck. I selected everything, correct? So that
Yes.
is what
Yes.
it is trying to install in two steps, two phases
Mm-hmm.
basically. JDK one phase and second phase is JRE.
JRE. Yes.
Yeah. And I told you right, initially it was developed with Sun Microsystem, now it was acquired by Oracle. So you will see their logo here,
Yes. Yes.
Java Oracle. So previously here they used to display like Sun Microsystem. Now
Okay.
it was acquired
Uh-huh.
by Oracle, so now they are displaying their own logo.
Mm-hmm. Oracle is German based, right? No, if I'm not
It's, I
mistaken.
think it is US.
Mm,
It's US. It's a US basically. It's there everywhere.
okay.
It's there everywhere.
Mhm. I believe SAP is German based. So,
Okay, maybe initially might have strategy, but once they become famous, right, they'll go
uh-huh.
to US. So the
Yes.
companies wherever they'll start, once
Yes.
they become famous, then they'll say it's founded in US. They'll slowly they'll migrate to US because most of the competition will come from US, right? So they'll set up their main branch in US. They'll say we founded from US. Otherwise, they'll get a lot of problems.
Yeah.
So now the installation is completed.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So if you now the installation is completed, you can click close here. Or so if you see here, there is a next step. If you click this one, it will give some document just to read,
Mm-hmm.
just to give some information for us. So click next, right? It will open some page, web page, just to read
Mm-hmm.
what is Java 8 and some information to us.
Okay.
So anyway, it is not required. You can close it. So you can close it.
Mm-hmm.
Now installation is done.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now the one is vertical and visual.
Got
Okay, so we downloaded and we installed it. And now what is the step 3? The step 3 is now where is our installation location? Our installation location is this one. So this is our installation location, correct? So in D drive installation JDK. Okay?
Okay.
So just copy this location. We have to do two steps.
Okay.
The step one and as for the step three. So what you have to do, you have to update Java underscore code. So this is Java underscore code. So we need to update these variables in your system environment variables. So how to update it? So Java underscore home, we can give same name and the value is wherever you install the JDK software.
Okay.
So just copy the location and paste it here. Now just right click and did you see here computer and right click and try to get the properties and you will get this window and if you see here right advanced system settings click this one and environment variables click this one and here right whatever I said Java underscore home right so just click this side so we need to add a new environment variable to the system
Okay.
so till here you know the steps how to get it after that what you have to do so you have to click new so you get this small dialog box
Okay.
so here you will see variable name and variable value so variable name and variable value. So variable name is Java underscore code.
Okay.
Copy the name. So this is the standard name we have to give, and the value is where your software is installed.
The path.
Yes, just paste it here, and then click OK. So now I already configured in my machine, so I don't want to click. Just I will do cancel. So once you click OK, you will see like this: Java underscore home and your location.
Yes.
Okay. So Java underscore home is a standard name and value is your path. Till JDK, till what is the parent folder. So like till parent folder you get the location and you give as a value.
Okay.
So this is the first step. Okay, this is clear, right?
Yes.
So now the second step is path. So I will tell you everything why we need this one and why we need exactly this one. What is the advantage of doing this thing? I will tell you that. Okay. The first one, this is clear, right?
Yes.
And the second step is so we need to update one more environment variable. Name is path,
Okay.
and the value is just go back to your installation. If you see here, right? So this is your parent folder, correct?
Yes.
Did you see here? There is a folder called bin.
Yes. Bin.
So what you will do, you just copy this location till bin. Okay, till bin, just you copy the location. So then go back to this notepad and paste it here. Till bin.
Okay. Bin.
Yes, till bin. Okay, now go back to your environment variable. Again, click new.
Okay.
So the variable name is path.
Oh, I see.
Copy the variable as it is, and the value is
The
this
rest
is
of.
the yes rest of paste it here and click OK. In my machine, I have already added, so I will not click and cancel. If you see here, right, you'll see
Yes.
path. Right?
Already
So path
installed.
is the lowercase, uppercase doesn't matter. So just you want to see the values. So path is there, and my JDK installation I have already added long back. You see here till big.
Okay.
So so this is the second step basically. The first one is Java underscore home. So till parent folder, and second one is path till bin. After that,
Okay.
you add two variables and click OK. Click OK. So these
Okay.
two steps are done. So now we need to verify our Java is installed properly. Java is installed correctly or not, correct?
Okay.
So how can
Yes.
we ensure? So this is step number 4. Installation.
Mm-hmm.
So far what we did, we downloaded the software and we installed it and we configured some of the environment variables. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
So these are the two environment variables we configured, Java underscore home and path.
Mm-hmm.
Now I want to verify whether my Java installation is success or not. Whatever so far I did, the steps is right or wrong, correct? We need to verify it finally.
Yeah.
So how
Yeah.
to verify that one? So to verify that steps, what we have to do? What is that?
CMD, no?
Yes, correct. CMD you can do and you will get this window, correct?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So now what I am going to do, just press Java hyphen version. Inside this command, I will tell you what is Java and what is version.
Mm-hmm.
So Java space hyphen version
Mm-hmm.
and just press enter, then it will display your version. So 1.8 and the version subversion is 121.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
Correct?
Yes.
The subversion is 121. So subversion meaning, so if you see your software, right, this is the subversion.
Yes.
So
Yes.
it is the version. So it will display full information. And so
Okay.
JDK and subversion is 1.8.
Okay.
And the bit is 64 bit.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Some other information, mixed mode, and it's more about what kind of mode the software was or not.
Mm-hmm.
So you can able to see this information meaning your installation is success.
Okay. Got it.
So if
Mm-hmm.
you are not seeing this information, if you see some other issue, meaning something else, there is an issue in your installation process.
This is like to cross check, right?
Yes, just to make sure your software is installed properly or not.
Okay. No problem.
So this is clear, right? This point.
Yeah. Yes.
And now come back to what is Java. So how you are getting this keyword? See, for instance, now if I type XYZ hyphen version, what will happen? What is saying here?
I didn't get that.
It's saying it is not recognized. Meaning XYZ, whatever you are typing, right? It should be there somewhere, correct?
Mm-hmm.
We cannot type randomly, correct?
Yes.
So XYZ is telling it is not able to find, but it can able to find Java, correct?
Yes.
So how it can found Java? So from where we are getting this Java based? So basically, if you see here, we have uploaded this path, right? This
Yes.
as a path, correct?
Yes.
As an environment variable, correct? So if you observe closely, if you observe here very closely, right? So you see here there is a one exe file Java, correct?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So this exe file we are trying to access from this command variable.
Okay. Okay.
You see here Java is there. So here Java
Yes.
is there, that's what you can able to access this one.
Okay.
Say for instance here, did you see Java W is there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let me try Java W. Did you see this?
Yeah.
You didn't get any error, right?
No.
Because
Yes.
Java W is there
Mm-hmm.
here, correct?
It's there. Yep.
So
Mm-hmm.
now what I will do, I will try to access Java W, yes.
Okay.
So that is the advantage of R. So there is a typo here.
Recognized.
Java W, yes. Did you see this?
Yes.
There is something here, correct? Meaning there is no error. It is recognizing, correct?
Yes.
So Java, yes, I typed. There is no Java, yes. Java
Yes.
WS is there, correct?
Yeah.
Meaning if you want to access all those things, you need to add this location to your environment variable. Otherwise, you
Okay.
are not able to access it.
Okay. Got it.
So that is the advantage of these variables.
Mm-hmm.
If you
Very.
do this, if you add your locations to your system environment, then you can able to access from anywhere.
Okay.
Correct?
Yes.
In the similar way, we have a phone, right? So if you have a phone, you can able to connect to anyone, correct? If you don't have a phone, you are not able to talk with other people, correct?
Yes, correct.
Any
Yes.
phone means it's any number and it's registered with some telephone network, correct?
Yes.
So every SIM card is registered with some telephone network. Otherwise, the other people not able to interact with that person, right?
Yes.
In the similar way, to access these variables, these exe files from anywhere, you can open command window from any location, so you can able to access it.
Yes.
So right
Mm-hmm.
now I open the command window from C drive, right?
Yes.
So let me open command window from D drive. You can open the command window from any drive.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm trying to open command window from I drive. Did you see this?
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm trying to access the Java master. See, I'm getting here extra.
Yeah.
So entire system it is available. So from
Okay.
entire system you can open command window from any drive and you can able to access the exe files. Why? Because we have already configured this location, this bin location into system variables, correct?
Yes, to the variables. Yes.
Yes, so that is the advantage of this system variables.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So far
Got
it's
it.
clear, right?
Yes.
So what you will do, you try to download the software and just try to install it in your machine, whether you can
Yes.
able to install it or not. If you are not able to install, so as part of next class, the first
Yes.
one is just you share the screen and you try
Mm-hmm.
to show me the issue. If you have any issue, then we will try to resolve that issue. After that, we will see next step.
Okay, no problem. I can do that.
Yeah,
Yes.
just try to download and try to install in your machine so that you will
Mm-hmm.
be comfortable. So what is JDK? Why I'm asking you to install it, right? Say for
Yeah.
instance, next time if you got a job, if you join into some other company, then you have to
Yes.
install the software yourself.
Yes, it's better to start from the scratch,
Yes,
and
yes. So that you will
yes.
be familiar with troubleshooting and all, correct?
Yes,
So
that's
that's
good.
what I am asking you to do. So you don't need to depend on others.
Okay.
So
Okay.
just try to install yourself. If you have any problem, just
Mm-hmm.
share your screen so that we will fix that issue so that you will get a good experience on this troubleshooting of installation.
Okay, I can do that. So we are meeting on Friday next, right?
Yes, correct. Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Got
Friday
it.
same time. What I will do, I will send you the video link and the steps.
Sure.
Okay, you
Okay.
try to follow the steps and try to install it.
Okay, will
Okay,
do.
we will connect
Okay.
Friday same time.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Yeah,
Good night.
yeah. Thanks.